We indulge in technology to let us communicate with others by virtual interaction. A space where you can shop comfortably, where information is right at your fingertip. A space you can go anywhere, do anything you want, anytime you want. You can even experience the production of your fancy shopping sprees. To see what you purchase made right in front of you and get notified before shipping. As we expand our reliance to virtual reality, so should our confidence to its immersion. This is designed to make purchases simple and elegant without the annoyance of failing transaction. It may be hard to imagine in reality, but in the metaverse, the possibilities are infinite. Here we just turned a market into an exhibition, where we strive for an attainable experience. With accessibility comes transparency.